Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Nubia Redmagic 7S. Firstly, you need to find and open Play Store on both devices. After that, click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Now you need to download this app from this developer, and when it's ready, choose Open. Now you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do the same on an Android. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Finally, you need to click on Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and Receive on Nubia over here at the bottom next to Send and History. Then you need to click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories to choose all of your files that you wish to send. After that, click on Send next to Selected. If you wish to, you can always just tap on only one file if you wish to and click on Send anyway. I will do that just for example, so now I need to click on Got It in the pop-up, and after selecting one of those options on Nubia and tapping on Close this window finally, we can connect. If you want to, you can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Nubia smartphone, then clicking on while using the app only this time, and pointing this device's camera at the code. But we can always just input this key over here as well and connect by choosing Receive button. And now, as you can see, after a while, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!